How to turn off charging animation on Samsung. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you turn off charging animation. So to do this, you have to first of all open up your settings. As you go to settings, then you want to go ahead and locate accessibility. So at the bottom you have this, you want to click on it. When you go to the accessibility, you have a lot of options. You want to look for vision enhancement. When you click on vision enhancement, you could then go ahead and turn off the charging animation by toggling the button. And similarly, if you want to turn it on, do the same thing. Go to your accessibility and look for a vision enhancement and toggle the button. So this is how you'll be able to turn off charging animation. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.